Okay, Infosys numbers, as we told you, we're on standby for that. So the PAT number is coming at 3,800 versus 4,000 crore. That's a number which is slightly lower than probably what the street was anticipating. So that's a number, which probably, one would look at on a miss side. But we'll just wait for more numbers. You can't always just have the PAT number and then probably decide what's happened. As far as the EBIT goes, I think 4,900 crore is the number. When you look at the EBIT front, I'm just trying to open the release, and so that's broadly in line. Margins have come in close to about 21-22%. Again, okay, it's just not opening in terms of release, but we have the PAT number with us, and that's 3,000. That's about close to 3,830 crores. So that's what you're looking at. I'm just opening this release, but I think that it's really taking some time to open. It's just being uploaded. Okay, there you go. See FY20 revenue growth at 9 to 10 odd percent. I think that they have upgraded their guidance slightly, but again, we'll just wait and watch as to what that number is. See FY20 operating margins at 21 to about 22 odd percent, 21 to 23%. I think this is a number which is in line with what they had said earlier as well. So I don't think that this is a number which would surprise the street. If I just look at the numbers, okay, I have now most of the numbers with me. If I look at the digital growth, it's 38% YOY. You have a CC growth of 11.4% YOY, a CC growth of about 3.3% QOQ, and operating margin expanding to about 21.7%. Large deal wins signings of about $2.8 billion. There you go, dollar million revenue, 3,210, in line with what the street was anticipating. Trip Chaudhary is now with us. Trip, what do you make of the number, with the guidance coming in slightly higher than what was anticipated earlier, or the lower end of the guidance has been upgraded to about 9% now?
Yeah, I think more or less in line with expectations by and large, maybe slightly below on the revenue front. Margins is a little bit slightly above what we were expecting, but as I think as Madhu did say that I wouldn't say that it's anything to maybe get too gung-ho about. Stock reaction today has in any case factored in most of these positives. So to that extent, I think you may see a flattish kind of an opening tomorrow. But as far as the numbers are concerned, I think you could say that it is like more or less, at a broader level, in line quarter is what we would probably look at it.
Right. But Harith, what do you make of the numbers when you compare it to TCS?
Yeah, definitely. So they've been outperforming TCS for some time now. It's not the first quarter this has happened, and that is the reason why the stock is now trading almost at par now. So you see, the P multiple is almost at par on FY21 basis. So I mean, definitely better than TCS. They did the same thing in the last quarter also on both margins and revenue and margins, and I think similarly in this quarter as well. So yeah, I mean, certainly Infosys again, has outperformed TCS in this quarter.